Well, welcome to the Crafting Corner. Our friend Dr. Megan Moreland with NSU is here today, and today we're making colorful cupcake liners.
Yes, this is going to be fun.
I know, great to have you here.
We are going to make some beautiful flowers today out of some materials that we might have left over in our homes after this last
Probably
weekend.
a lot cheaper than buying flowers, too.
It really
flowers
is.
are expensive. I just had a wedding, and they are not cheap.
That's true, and these will last a really long time, as long as you want them. So. The supplies are very simple. Like I said, things you hopefully have in your home. We're going to start with cupcake liners. Okay. I have some pretty simple ones, but there are so many fun patterns and designs on cupcake holders that you can really make this pretty neat. So we've got a stack of 3. There's no right or wrong way to do this, but we're going to make petals. Okay. And the way we're going to do that is just kind of cut on the perforated edges there, and however many petals you want is fine. The nice thing about this is there's no right or wrong way to make these flowers. It's unique, just like we all are.
That is great news for me.
Exactly.
Crafting is not my thing, but hey.
Hey, we're having fun though. This is great.
Yes, we are.
And after that, you could purchase green craft sticks, but I had some of these just like nice little fuzzy pipe cleaners sitting around, and I thought those would be kind of fun to wrap for our stem. So this is our stem for our flower. I've got some glue, and I'm putting that on there. And then
so glue them all together?
We're going to glue, yes. So you're going to put your cupcake liner on, glue, cupcake liner, glue, cupcake liner. Okay. It's a little messy, but it's okay. And then there are different things that you can put in the middle of our flower. So I have a sticker of a flower to put on my flower to make it more flowery. Okay. And then there are some others in the front here with stickers, but I also brought some little pom-poms, and we could put those in the middle of our flower and kind of glue those on. Those would be very cute.
Very cool.
Yes, and then also, if we want to bring in some nostalgia, I found a collection of about 6 little buttons that were from my great-grandmother.
That is so cool.
Isn't that so fun? I know, and I thought this might be a great way to create these little flower bouquets and maybe give them to people in my family and say, these are Granny's buttons, and these are flowers that are going to last forever.
Some memories too.
Some memories.
I love that.
Yes.
All right, and you've also got some books here.
I always have to bring a book. Always. That's the most important part. So today we have Dandelion Adventures, and this is just going to be so much fun to get to read about flowers. We're going to make flowers. We can go outside and see what's blooming after all this rain. It's going to be so fun to see what blooms.
No kidding. I think I did pretty good.
You did fantastic. I mean, that's a good flower.
Pretty excellent right there.
I got
to get my button in there first.
Oh yeah. Okay. He's going to do the button, which is I think one of the great ways to go on.
Can I use one of these?
Please do. Okay. I would love that. Yes. My granny wanted her buttons to be used, I'm sure.
I got to finish it off.
Exactly.
Awesome.
So this is just an easy activity we can do at home, and hopefully just really enjoy and have fun together.
Especially with all the rain we're getting. I mean, a great inside activity.
Yes.
And then hopefully the rain moves out. Dr. Moreland, thank you so much. We appreciate you as always.